Our industry works with so many different types of documents, and I often see great posts like this one sharing lots of really useful resources about project plans, etc. And a lot of the time teams have trouble to standardize these because they're all Word documents. In this example, I just wanted to share with you how we could take a Word document, or a PDF in this case. We took the PDF, and Adobe has a great download to Word, so a conversion to Word. And then we're simply going to go to Planoly, and we're going to import it so that we can see how we create a set of templates. So I'm going to create a new project, and this is going to not use our templates on the left hand side. Let me close that up. But instead, if I download it as a Word document, now I can grab it and drop it into Planoly. And this is a really quick process, so I've simply dropped it in, and now I've got all of this created for me. So we have all of the different tables and all of the different sections and everything in here that's already been created. And if I wanted to start to split this up into all of the different documents, I could simply create some tabs. And then in this example, let's go back here, and I think, so here we go, we've got an acceptance plan. So if I was to change the title on this tab to be the acceptance plan, and then I simply want all of the stuff that's here, all of this, to be in that acceptance plan, I can drag and drop it, and then I've got it all inside of here. And what we're doing is we're building now templates, and these templates inside of Planoly can have a whole bunch of things, like, for example, instead of these being just a field to be filled in or to do find and replace, we can actually start to put what we call smart fields in place of them. So that might be the project type, or it might be, maybe there's a new smart field that we need to create called the date of issue. And it's a date, so we can set a date format, and then we can use, oh, because I changed it, date of issue, if I could spell. So now I've got that date of issue, and I can, instead of having something that I would need to fill in everywhere across all of these documents, I can then use date of issue, and it's now smart field. So everywhere across all of the documents, if I used date of issue in another document, let's take a look at where else we might have it, in document control potentially here. So if you have lots of documents and this now is also being used, we could just say date of issue. So if I update the date of issue in here as being today, you'll see that that date of issue is actually also updated in every single document. So what we've done is we've started to create these tabs, and here's one I made earlier, where we've got each tab for each type of document: the communications plan, the procurement plan, selection process, request for information, etc., statement of work. And all of these are now going to be filled in with just one click, and they're also going to be reusable for every single project that we work on. So I just wanted to share how setting up structured documents in the Docs module can help you and can streamline that workflow. Because now when I start another project, this project management set of information, I can now start my new project, call it new project, and as I look for information in my library, I can then grab that from that project management plan. So the project management templates, I can see all of the different plans that I have, and then by simply just one click, I can create an acceptance plan, my statement of work, and my supplier contract into one project. And all of those smart fields will be filled in based on the smart fields. Hopefully that helps.